Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. Meaning of ceremony. A ceremony is a gathering of people to celebrate an event. For example, birthday, naming, marriage. During this period, there are lots of food and drinks to eat and drink. Listen and dance to music during a ceremony. Types of ceremonies. Number 1, traditional ceremony. Number 2, religious ceremonies. Number 3, carnival ceremonies. And number 4, national ceremony. So, fashion is a popular style of clothes, hair, etc. at a particular time or place. Fashion makes us appear different during wedding and birthday parties. Types of traditional fashion accessories. Number 1, bead. Number 2, jewelries. Number 3, combs. Number 4, walking sticks. Number 5, rattle for dancers. And number 6, shells and cowries. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.